If you are chicken, maybe you're not like scary movies, but one South Texas restaurant, it's all about the chicken, known for taking that classic dish to a new and fancy level. And ooh, that looks good.
Ross Wilkinson, owner of the Birdhouse up in New Braunfels, is here to show us their seasonal twist on a chicken sandwich. We've got Frankenstein working, right?
Yes, absolutely. We got Frankenstein working and George Washington to my right. I love that.
Across the river.
Let's go with that one. I like that.
Yes. All right, your fried chicken, what's the secret to it?
So we've got some secrets I cannot tell, but I can tell you our process is all about a brine. When our bone-in chicken, it's a lot longer process. Today we're doing boneless, skinless, so it's only about a 12-hour brine. It's got some sugar, some salt, and some secret spices. I'll just stop there. But we do sell it at the restaurant.
And you soak it in a little bit of buttermilk.
I was going to say, yes.
Right?
After that, we put in a little buttermilk. We'll dredge it in our seasoned chicken flour, fried chicken flour, and
Pop
That'll
that
go for a bit.
throw in there for about 5-7 minutes, but we already have one done, and I believe Frankenstein's going to make our coleslaw today.
And what does the coleslaw consist of here? Because it's a nice fall dish, right?
Good, yes, thank you. It's a fall coleslaw, so we even down to the broccoli, some red cabbage, some matchstick carrots, cranberries, green onions, and I believe you're throwing in some sliced almonds now. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we mix all that together, and you put a little bit of that coleslaw dressing in there, which is a little Dijon, apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise. Again, some secret stuff I can't talk about. But we mix all that together, and that's going to be what our fried chicken breast sits on the bun. So Fiona,
so that's going to go, and it's on a pretzel bun.
Oh yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's our ode to New Braunfels and Wurstfest. We've got a pretzel bun for our fall sandwich.
A little more on there.
And we're going to put the fried chicken breast right on top of there, and then Mike's Hot Honey. If
Mike's Hot Honey.
you want to do the honors.
Which I didn't know also comes in Mike's Extra Hot Honey.
Extra hot as well. We just go hot at the restaurant right now. They do a phenomenal job with this product, though.
I didn't know you moonlighted with this.
That slaw is great. What'd you say is in the dressing?
There's some Dijon, some mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, again, some of our bird dog seasoning that we have there in the restaurant, a little seasoning blend of
Hey,
about
George, watch your sleeves.
Sorry,
there,
I can't
7 different things. There you go, yes. And so we top with the arugula, and then the sliced apples.
Sliced apples.
We have some apples in the slaw, but we're going to put some on top there just for the fun of it,
To
too.
help keep the doctor away.
And then we're going to put a little bit of that signature bird sauce. There's a lot of things I can't talk about here.
Okay.
We also put a mixture of our proprietary blends in there. Glue it all together with that. We stab it with a toothpick.
Okay, stab it.
And you put it right there, sit it next to those fries, and you have got
I will in a second.
Okay, there you go. Get after
One
it.
at a time. Whoops, this is going to be drippy. So
There we go, Mike.
Okay, now tell us why, of course, you centered around chicken.
I've always wanted to do it, to be honest with you. I could really just be totally honest and say I've always been just so impressed with what Chick-fil-A has done. And I've always been very, very enamored with their model. We do very different. We're not a drive-through, we're not a quick service restaurant, but we do focus on doing one thing and doing one thing really, really, really good. That one thing being chicken, cooked all different ways. Obviously today you're having it fried. We do have grilled, we have light salads. In fact, we brought our fall salad to show off today as well. I feel like every time we do something fried, we got to show something light.
But the nice thing is, the fry coating on that is not a heavy, greasy fry. It's very light and delicate.
Thank you for saying that. And we do take pride in that. It's not one of those big, like, craggly, huge, greasy crusts on the side, yes.
Okay, and of course the Birdhouse just opened this summer and it took over another popular restaurant, right?
Yes, we were there for about 7.5 years as the River House, and I was the owner there too. And we got through COVID best we could, but I was just never quite happy with putting those pieces together like it was before. And again, I've always wanted to do this, so I said, here's the time to hit the reset button, and we came back as the Birdhouse.
You also have a brunch too, right? Because I'm looking at the champagne, I'm thinking champagne
We
brunch.
have, it's probably our busiest day part of the week. We do Saturday and Sunday brunch from 10 to 3. And he was asking earlier about some brunch dishes. We do a fried chicken Benedict. So that sits on a buttermilk biscuit. We top that with our poached egg and a jalapeno hollandaise. It is lights out. It's the number one thing we sell at brunch.
That's very tasty, isn't it? So, okay, and once
Frankenstein and George Wash, Sarah's sandwich right here.
You are up in Green, right?
Yes, sir. We are in the Green Historic District in New Braunfels. But if anybody's familiar with Green Hall, we're a stone's throw away from Green Hall. Come out and have dinner with us before you go see a show.
All right, and they have actual champagne from Champagne.
Oh yes,
France
let's not
as
forget
well,
about
so-
it. Yes. So we have our Nicholas Foyette champagne, and I
Cheers.
brought some rosé as well. I thought
Dave,
pink for the
thank
lady.
you so much.
Oh, that's good. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For more information on the Birdhouse, just snap that QR code on your screen or head to our website, salive.com, and click on the As Seen on SA Live tab.
All right, it's a Friday, so we're just being a little bit silly here, and these great
Are we?
costumes, and they are from our friends over there at Starline Costumes. They are always really good to us with providing costumes, and they've got just about everything and then some that you would want for Halloween. Get there, because the good ones are going to be going fast, but head on over Tuesday through Thursday, 11 to 6, Friday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., StarlineCostumes.com over there on Bandera Road.
Celebrate San Antonio with us on YouTube.
Yeah, all of your favorite DIY videos, food, drinks, tips, and tricks. If you've seen it here, it's on the SA Live YouTube channel.
Just search KSAT SA Live on YouTube and like, subscribe, and ring the bell.